Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can log out from YouTube on your mobile device. So let's start the video. First go to your YouTube app, click on the app profile icon. As you can see there is no logout option here. So what we have to do is click on manage your Google account. Here you can see your Google account page. Now click on the downward arrow. Now click on manage accounts on this device. Click on the Gmail account that you want to log out from your YouTube and remove this account. Now go to your YouTube page. Now you can see your account has been removed. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like and comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel.